Hi everyone, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Spirit Halloween is officially open. Let's go inside and explore. Okay, heading in. I always love going into the Spirit the first time, seeing what their setup is for the year. Here we go. Hi there! How's it going? We're excited you guys are open. Yeah. Have to hit up the animatronics, the main display here, Spirit Halloween Factory. We've got some rusted chains and other things. Here we go. Who's this? Headless Jack. There he is. This figure is probably about 8 feet tall. Let's see what it does.
Beware of what lies ahead. Amongst the dead.
Mr. Howl. It's time, let's enter the Halloween factory. Oh! Hey, it's our friend. I almost didn't see her there. Hiding just over here, the Hauntress just popped out. We've seen the Hauntress before. We saw the Hauntress last year. Let's see. Okay, into the factory. Caution, high voltage. 72 days until Halloween. We're gonna go through the factory. We've got some rusted chains. Let's see what we got. I've got different floorboards down there. Looking for anything that, whoa! Whew! Sounds like a train or something. Alright, a little bit of a sound jump scare, but nothing too scary. At the exit, we've got our old pal, Jumping Spider. Here he goes. Classic Jumping Spider. This is one of our favorites from last year. This was the Nightcrawler. Creepy little jump scare. Here they have the pumpkin carve-o-matic. There's some workers at the factory. Look at those skeletons with the real eyes. And the pumpkins are going in there through the carve-o-matic. And over here, jack-o'-lanterns. Very cool, nice effect. Here, I'll back up so you can see the whole thing. And again, we got the workers with the creepy lifelike eyes up there. Super cool. And it looks like they've got lots more room to set up animatronics once they come in. I've heard they've had trouble getting some of these shipped out to the different locations this year, so I think we're going to have to come back again and check out all the animatronics once they're ready. All right, let's see. Here's Sitting Scarecrow. We've seen you before. Nice little jump scare when the kids try to get some candy. That'll keep your candy budget to a minimum. Some of the workers at the factory, Unhuman Resources. We've got Employee of the Month, Pumpkin Nester, and an old favorite, the Crypt Keeper, always doing an excellent job. The production line. They've got those skeleton crew all over the place. And over here, one of the new 2021 animatronics, Wacky Mole.
Damn Halloween costumes make me crazy! They make me wanna follow things with my hammer. I think I'm going crazy again!
That's a guy I can relate to.
Step right up, boys and girls. Who's next to get walloped by my hammer? I'll be the first on your block to say, Wacky Mole, club me over the head.
Another jumping spider. Yeah, hit it. Go. Boom. Whoa. Classic. There's the factory. They've got some videos. Let's see. Oh, Pumpkin Jack over here on the left side, on the right side. Looks like they're making a production line of jack-o'-lanterns. Nice. Love the screens integrated into the factory here. Let's see. Okay. Safety starts here. This factory has worked, 0 days without an injury. Accidents are unavoidable. Well, that's not good. Here's another one from this year, 2021, RAITH. That they've used this light down here, one of those LED lights, gives it an extra glowing effect, lights up, makes it extra spooky. Good use of lighting. And the arms and head light up here as well. That's RAITH. Over here I spied Sam. Let's take a look. Over in R&D, they've got these blueprints on the wall. Halloween factory blueprints. Here's sketches of the werewolf. Cerebus. And Crouchy. I like how they've taken some of their animatronics from past years and added elements into the theming this year. Very cool. Something that Spirit's had more of in recent years is this themed home decor. This section here, we're going to check out some of the Haunted Mansion decor that they have. Here's a Haunted Mansion notebook. Welcome Foolish Mortals. Awesome. That's a great, is it leather bound? Nice little Haunted Mansion journal there. Down here, we've got Haunted Mansion mug. I'm actually tempted to get $12.99. That's not bad. You can get a coupon for that too. And then Madame Leota. Let's see what Madame Leota does. Madame Leota lights up. Not too much, kind of cool. A Welcome Foolish Mortals doormat. Great for Halloween. And over here, some Nightmare Before Christmas merch. Of course, there's Monopoly everything nowadays. Some signage, Halloween Town, Town Hall, Oogie Boogie's Lair. I like this. Sort of a map a map sketch of Halloween Town. That's cool. Some more awesome mugs. We've got the Pumpkin King himself, Oogie Boogie. Very cool. Some Nightmare Before Christmas plushes over here. Hocus Pocus. So this has become a bit of a cult classic over the years, and I hear that they're making a new Hocus Pocus movie. I think it's due out this year. I'm gonna have to check on that. But it's awesome to see some Hocus Pocus merchandise as well. Look at that, the Sanderson sisters. Witches return from the dead. There they are, their hair anyway. Cute little Hocus Pocus stuffies. I still think these mugs are pretty cool. Look at that, Sanderson says special potion. Museum of Witchcraft. That's cool. Remember to keep exploring, and until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop.